Hello everyone, this is Mr. Mendoza. We're looking at CPM 6-125. It says in the figure at the right, the area of the shaded region is 3 square inches. So this is 3 square inches. What is the area of the total figure? So eventually we need to find the area of this parallelogram. We know that the area given for this triangle is 3 square inches. Why don't we try, so here's our formula for area of a triangle. Let's start there. Let's go ahead and use it like an idea of a guess and check. So this is our first guess and check. So we know the area is equal to 3 square inches. I'll put our units on after, but area is 3. So that's going to be equal to, let's substitute the area for our variable A, area. And that's going to equal to the base, which we do have. The base is 3. Times the height. That's our variable. It's not given. We know we're going to need to divide by 2. Let's use a guess and check. Let's start off with a simple friendly number. Let's go ahead and we have 3 equals, let's start with 1. I'm going to substitute, imagine that the height is equal to 1. And I'm going to put it as 1. Going to go ahead and multiply. So notice here, left side, 3. 3 times 1 divided by 2. Well, look at here. We already have 3 is equal to 3 divided by 2, or 3 halves. So that's not a true statement. We don't need to divide this out. We have 3 equals 3 halves. That's incorrect. We don't have a true statement. There's not balance. It should be 3 equals 3. Okay. Let's go on to, that didn't work. I'm just going to go ahead and erase that 1. So that didn't really work. Okay. But that gave us some good information, right? So let's try again. Guess and check. We were very close. Let's try 2. Okay, again, area is equal to 3. This area right here, which is given in the problem. So we're saying now the base is 3. The height, we're going to say is 2. Divided by 2, part of the equation. Okay, left side, right side. 3 times 2, 6. So we're saying 3 is equal to 6 halves. That sounds good. 6 halves, 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 halves is 3. That sounds good. 3 equals 3. Excellent. So what does that mean? So that means here that our height is equal to 2. 2 inches. We'll put the units right there. So our height is equal to 2. That's what we need. So now we know what our height is equal to. Remember, our goal is to find the area of this entire parallelogram. We know now that the height is 2 because look at here. Base times height divided by 2, 3 times 2, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. That's what was given. It said the area of the triangle is 3. That's what we have. Now, so that's a true statement. So what can we do? Let's go ahead and get the area. We do have enough information to get the area of the parallelogram. Area of parallelogram equals base times height. Okay. Area, or it's unknown. Base, here's our base. The entire length of this side is the base. So we could add this together. 3 plus 3 is 6. It's also the same amount from this side also is also 6. These are these two lengths side lengths are the same. Even though on my drawing it looks a little bit off, that's the idea, that they're parallel, they're the same length. So 3 plus 3, that's our base, 6. Height, we found out, was 2. Okay, we'll put our units on now. 6 times 2. So remember, now we have inches times inches is inches squared. There we go. So the area for this entire shape is 12 inches squared.